Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. As you can see here, I'm having a hair emergency. So I thought this would be a good time to share with you how I style an old wash and go on my natural hair. So I did skip wash day and my hair is paying for it. This is a week-old wash and go. And so yeah, it needs some moisture. It does still have a little bit of definition, but there's a lot of frizz going on here and it's dry. It needs moisture, so I'm gonna take care of that in this video, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and show you my process. So yeah, why do I do this to myself? I don't know. Let's get started. So first I'm showing you that I'm going to be using the Maui Moisture Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean Hair Butter. And then I've got my handy dandy spray bottle filled with water. Okay, so I've got water applied to this section. It's looking good and hydrated. And see the comparison? Now let's do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply this hair butter. I love this stuff. It smells so good and it has really good ingredients. If you don't know by now, you should, but I love the Maui Moisture line. Okay, so the product is distributed throughout my hair and I'm just smoothing that through to the ends, and I'm trying to decide, do I want to do a high bun or a low ponytail this day? And I'm deciding on the low ponytail. When I do a low ponytail, I like to pull some of the hair out around the perimeter, mainly around my ear. So a little bit of hair around the front of my ears and then a little bit behind my ear. I feel like it just helps to frame your face, and it's just something different. It kind of gives you like that cute, effortless look. If I was going to do a sleek ponytail, I wouldn't do this, but since I'm going with kind of a messy, effortless look, then I think this is really cute. This is also cute if you're just going to be out running errands for the day and throw a ball cap on top with the curls hanging down by your face. It's just really cute, but it looks like, oh, I didn't really try, but you did try. So that's the look that we're going for. So now I'm going to lay this down. I'm going to be taking my satin scarf and I'm going to tie my hair up just for about 10 minutes. That's going to give it an opportunity to set in place, lay my edges, and just make it look a little bit more tamed. Okay, so I'm back and I'm taking my scarf off, and just see how everything is laid pretty well here. So I'm going to put some of this hair behind my ears. I'm not just going to leave it all hanging like that. And I'm going to fluff my ponytail just a little bit. And then I'm just going to give you a view from both sides. And this is pretty much the completed look. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share this video with someone if you think it'll be helpful to them. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.